Today I'm going to make keto ice cream. It's a very simple recipe. We only need 3 ingredients: ricotta, raspberries and cream. I'm actually using 30% fat cream here. We start by placing raspberries in a bowl. Next step, I add ricotta to it. Finally, I need to pour the cream over it. Now I'm going to mix it together with a blender. You can also add a few drops of vanilla flavor. I also have liquid stevia. I'm going to add a few drops of that. And I'm going to finish the blending. As you can see, the texture of it is like ice cream. I'm now going to place the ice cream, it's not an ice cream yet, but it will be, in a plastic box. It's not a very fancy looking plastic box, but it will do the job. Now I'm going to place it in the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours. It is a good idea to take it out from the freezer once every hour and just stir it for a few seconds. And this is the final effect.